Hi, how to use the Excel function PMT. So for example, you took a 500,000 housing loan and the interest per annum is 4% and it takes 30 years to repay. So this is the formula, right? This is the functions. So you just key in PMT and the interest is this. Now, however, we are calculating monthly. So therefore, we need to divide the interest per annum to 12. And then the tenure is 30 years. It is so in D7, so we type D7. Again, we need to times 12 because it's 30 years times 12 months. And finally, it's the loan amount. The loan amount is 500,000 and there is no future value, which you can see that, no future value. And finally, we paid it in our first installment and subsequent, right, at the end of the month, right? So the banks always says, wait, pay at the end of the month. Why? There is a reason why, right? See, if you pay the bank loan at the end of the month, since the first payment, you need to pay money 2,300. But if you pay at the beginning, right from the start, you say you pay this. So there is a difference, huh? So that is how you calculate, gets the money repayment. If you convert this into from a negative value to a positive, you can always put a, a minus in the housing loan because the money is lending out. No, it's we are getting money from other people. Right? So that's right. So that is PMT, and thanks